Hey guys, thanks for joining me. Welcome to the Amateur Baker. I am the Amateur Baker. So this channel I created to just share my new passion for baking. I've actually never been a baker, never really had anything to do with it growing up, but as I've gotten older and everything, I've really enjoyed baking, and now it's terrible because I got obsessed with the Great British Baking Show. So yeah, now I'm like, okay, I really gotta try baking more and just trying new things. So I will be starting today with a lemon tart. Never made a tart before. My husband really enjoys these, so we're going to start off by baking it. My handy dandy recipe on my lovely computer assistant over here. Okay, so first we have to get all our ingredients in order, and I prepared it all nicely so I'm not hassling around. Makes it easier for you guys to watch. So we have our flour, 1/3 cup of flour. Then we have half a cup of sugar. Yeah, half a cup of sugar. We got 3/4 cup of butter, vanilla, and then we're gonna add a pinch of salt. So we're making the tart crust right now. That's what we're working on. So I'm going to go down to my recipe, and we have to combine butter, half cup of sugar, vanilla, and salt into my mixing bowl. So we are going to do that. Okay, so what we have to do next is add the flour in, and it's just a really simple crust recipe really, and then we're gonna press it into the tart pan when we're done, and then we have to refrigerate it for 30 minutes, but while that will refrigerate, we'll make the filling and get ahead of ourselves. So that's the plan. This is supposed to turn out. It's supposed to be a smooth dough, but what I got is like, it's like crumbly. I don't know. Okay, well, maybe if I just play with it with my, okay, it kind of forms into a dough. I don't know, I've never made one before. So we're going to my cute little tart pan. I got it on sale. I'm so proud of myself. Like, I need to get a tart pan. So I went to the store. It was on sale. Oh, I saved like $7. So very happy about that. Oh gosh, I don't know. I hope this turns out. This is really crumbly. This is not. I feel like I'm missing something, but I added everything together. Look at this, it's all crumbly. I don't know. Should I put ham on it first? I don't know. I'll try seeing what happens. Pressing it into the pan here. Just go with the flow. Just go with the flow, as my mother-in-law says. Just keep swimming. Well, no, that's from another movie that we all love and adore, but that's what she tells me every day. When I put you down, just keep swimming. I don't think I'm going to add all the dough just because then there won't be enough room for the filling. So this is kind of what it looks like right now. too much crust in it. And I pressed it in there kind of hard, so. Anyways, ta-da! My crust. Going into the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Okay, Alexa, set timer for 30 minutes. Alright, got my timer going. So then we're gonna do pie filling next. Alright guys, so now we are going to the filling while the crust is in. I just got all my ingredients out. I have to say I'm very thankful I had no cuts on my fingers because getting that lemon juice out of the lemon, that was interesting. It was fun, but I'm just glad I didn't have any burns after that. So anyways, we are going to start by putting our ingredients together. Sugar in the bowl, 3 eggs, we've got our lemon zest and lemon juice. Oh, I guess we put everything in. Well, why didn't I just read ahead? I don't know. I'm just trying to make sure this turns out well. Lemon juice goes in. Lemon zest. The zest. I've actually never done zest before, but that is going in as well. About a tablespoon or so. Lemon juice, lemon zest. We did the eggs, and then we put half a cup of flour in. That's all whisked and smooth. It actually smells really good. I love lemon. Anything lemon. Lemon's good. Anything lemon. It's all good. Yeah. So we got our mix in there. I don't want to spill it. Almost spilled it. Okay. So, well, we're still waiting for the crust. Alexa's gonna tell me what time to bring it out. I'm going to preheat the oven. Okay, tart crust just came out, so we're gonna fill it with the lemon filling. Okay, 15 minutes, 20 minutes actually, 20 minutes, and then we'll see how it turns out. It just came out of the oven and it looks amazing. I'll show you guys. It's my lemon tart. Looks good. So I'm gonna take the bottom off. So I think what you're supposed to do is put it on a surface like so, and let the ring come off. Ta-da! I think it turned out fabulous. I'm excited to try it. So thank you guys for joining me. If you are interested in making this beautiful lemon tart, I will post the link down below. And if you want to give it a shot, go right ahead. So, alright, see you guys next time.